Bismillahir-Rahman-ir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of October 2023 for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of October for all the Aquarius Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Sun controls your 7th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 8th house in the sign of Virgo. 7th house deal with your relationships, your marriage related matter is also seen from 7th house. Your business partnership, your legal binding is also seen from 7th house. Your how you will meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others is also seen from 7th house. So right now your 7th house Lord is moving in your 8th house. 8th house will be your in-laws, your sudden event, your longevity, your chronic disease is also seen from 8th house. Your research activities, your secret activities, your sexual activities also seen from 8th house. So right now your 7th house Lord is moving in your 8th house. So we can expect good result regarding your marriage related matter and your relationship with your spouse in the month of October. Sun will stay in your 8th house till 17th of October. After 17th of October, Sun will move to your 9th house in the sign of Libra. So after 17th of October, you need to take care of your father's health because Ketu is right now moving in your 9th house from last year March 2022, and Mars is all and after 17th of October when Sun will move to your joint house, then we can expect some disturbing result regarding your father's health and your father figures in your life. Also you need to be take care of your education related matter if you are doing some post-grad education. Also we can expect good result regarding your second marriage if you are looking for a second marriage in the month of October. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Aquarius ascendant people in the month of October. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, Mercury controls your 5th house and your 8th house, and right now Mercury is moving in your 8th house. 5th house deal with your love relationship, your mental abilities seen from 5th house. How fast you can learn things is also seen from 7th house. How genius you are is seen from 7th. 5th house deal with your love relationship, your early education is seen from 5th house. Your children, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your fiance with your children, your love relationship is seen from 5th house. Your early education, your mental abilities is also seen from 5th house. 8th house, as we discussed previously, 8th house will be your in-laws, your longevity, your chronic disease, your ups and downs, your sexual activities, your secret activities is also seen from 8th house, and your fun activities is also seen from 5th house. So right now your 5th house Lord is in a strong position in your 8th house, means right now 8th house Lord is moving in its 8th house, and 7th house Lord is also moving there. So we can expect if you have any relationship, especially love relationship, if you have any relationship, especially love relationship right now in the month of October, then we can expect you will spend very good time with them in the month of October because your 5th house Lord, house of fun activity Lord, is moving in the 8th house. Also Mercury will stay in your 8th house till 19th of October. After 19th of October, Mercury will also move to your 9th house in the sign of Libra. But Mercury will be in a combust position because Sun is moving on 17th of October and Mercury will also move on 19th of October. So both the planets moving side by side to your 9th house. That's why we were saying you need to be take care of your father's health in the month of October. Also, you may have to face some argument and difficulty from your love relationship after 19th of October. Before 19th of October, we can expect good result regarding your love relationship, regarding your marriage related matter. Just you need to take care of your father's health and your communication related matter when you're dealing with your loved ones after 19th of October. So we can expect these results from Sun and Mercury for all the Aquarius ascendant people in the month of October. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, Venus controls your 4th house and your 9th house, and right now Venus is moving in your 7th house in the sign of Leo. Venus is just moved from your 6th house to your 7th house on 2nd of October. 4th house deal with your mother, your home, your physical home is seen from 4th house. Comfort in your life is seen from 4th house. Your chest region is also seen from 4th house. Your properties, your vehicle, your convenience is also seen from 4th house, and your homeland is also seen from 4th house. 9th house, as we discussed previously, 9th house deal with your father figures, your education related matter means your higher education seen from 9th house, your advisor, your lawyer, your second marriage is also seen from ninth house, and your long distance travel is also seen from ninth house. So right now you're set. So right now your fourth house lord and your ninth house lord is moving in your first house. First of all, we can expect if you are trying to move from your birthday to some different country, then we can expect positive result for you people, because your travel lord is moving in your seventh house, which is also controls your fourth house. Fourth house deal with your homeland related matter. So we can expect result regarding your travel related matter if you are planning to travel in the month of October. Also, as we discussed previously, if you are looking for second marriage, as we discussed previously, in sun second you will get a good opportunities in the month of October, because your ninth house lord is moving in your seventh house, and seventh house lord will be in a ninth house after 17th of October. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of October for all the Aquarius ascendant people. Now let's talk about moon. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, moon controls your sixth house, and right now moon is moving in your fifth house in the sign of Gemini. The positions of planet you're watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of October. And on the basis of 6th October, we are predicting for whole month, because moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in one video, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, issues and difficulties are always associated with these house. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. Especially problem, difficulties and issues will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge moon transit. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, Mars controls your third house and your 10th house. And right now Mars is moving in your ninth house in the sign of Libra. Mars just moved from your 8th house to your ninth house on 4th of October and will stay in your ninth house till the whole month of October. Third house deal with your younger siblings. Third house deal with your communication. Third house deal with your neighbors, cousin, childhood friend is seen from third house. How much effort you can put in any work is seen from third house. Especially your communication skills is seen from third house. 10th house deal with your work environment, your authority in life, your career, how far you can go in your career is seen from 10th house. How good you are in your work is seen from 10th house. So right now your 10th house and your third house lord is moving in your ninth house. So we can expect positive result regarding your work related matter and your communication related matter and your younger brother and sister's life, because your 10th house lord and your third house lord is moving in your ninth house. Ninth house also deals with love, but Ketu is also moving there from last year, March 2022. You may have to face some difficulty, some argument regarding your work at your workplace from your bosses and your work colleague. But you will get definitely good result regarding your third house related matter, because from ninth house Mars is also expecting its own house, your third house, and Jupiter is also moving there. But Rahu is also moving there till 30th of October. So till 30th of October, you may have to face some argument difficulty regarding your communication related matter and at your workplace. Rest we can expect good result regarding all the planets in the month of October. We will have 5 major astrological events in the month of October. First of all, as we discussed previously, Venus is right now moving in your 7th house, and Venus has just moved from your 6th house to your 7th house on 2nd October 2023 in the sign of Leo. Second major astrological event is that Mars is right now moving in your 9th house, and Mars is just moved from your 8th house to your 9th house on 4 October 2023. Third major astrological event is that Sun is right now moving in your 8th house, and after 17th of October, Sun will also move to your 9th house in the sign of Libra. Fourth major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 8th house, and after 19th of October, Mercury will also move to your 9th house in the sign of Libra. Fifth and last major astrological event is that you will have solar eclipse in your 8th house in the month of October. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of October 2023 for all the Aquarius Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.